Life is full of surprises, and not always the good kind. A sudden medical bill, job loss, or car repair can wipe out your savings. That's why today, I'll explain why you absolutely need an emergency fund and how you can start building one step by step. An emergency fund is simply money set aside for unexpected expenses. Without it, you end up swiping your credit card, taking loans, or draining your savings meant for goals like buying a house or investing. Experts recommend at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. That means if you spend Rs 30,000 a month, you should have Rs 90,000 to Rs 1,8 lakh as your safety net. Now the question is, how do you build it? Let's break it down. 1. Start small. Begin with a goal of Rs 10,000. Once you hit it, aim higher. 2. Pay yourself first. Automate savings every month into a separate account. Automate savings every month into a separate account. 3. Cut extra expenses. Redirect money from eating out, subscriptions, or shopping. Redirect money from eating out, subscriptions, or shopping. 4. Keep it accessible but separate. Use a savings account or liquid fund, not your regular account, so you're not tempted to spend it. Use a savings account or liquid fund, not your regular account. And remember, an emergency fund is for emergencies only. Not for vacations, not for shopping, only real urgent situations. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this advice, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth with Sud for more simple finance tips.